How to change Steam region and get games cheaper. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. So for this, you need to launch a browser that you prefer and search for Steam gift card. From here, you can select any of the website that is dealing with the Steam gift card. I have selected G2A. Now, since we want to change our Steam region and we want our games cheaper, in here you can easily search for gift card based on region. So scroll up in the search bar and search for Steam gift card and the region that you want to change into. For an example, I've written UK. Now you will find the gift card based on the particular region. After this, make sure to connect to a VPN. After you have successfully connected to a VPN, you can now open up your Steam. In your Steam, make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account. Once logged in, hover on your username. From here, you need to select the option of View My Wallet. To confirm whether you have changed your region or not, you can decide based on the currency it shows. Then select on the option of Redeem a Steam gift card. Enter the wallet code that you just received, then tap on the Continue button. By this way, you'll be able to change your Steam region and get your games much cheaper. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.